All across our country at this moment, a number of ceremonies are being held like this one to acknowledge the tragedies that took place and to how the world changed that day. And so it's important that we have ceremonies like this so that those of us who were here and remember can recall our feelings, our emotions, and our thoughts. But it's especially important since it was now 18 years ago. For the first time ever on this campus, we have freshmen who are not yet born, whose birthdays will be in the next few months. And virtually none of our students actually have any vivid recollection of those events 18 years ago. I especially want to thank all of our first responders who participated in the ceremony today, our university police, our firefighters, our EMTs, all of our first responders, both in Morrisville, in our county, our sheriffs, our troopers, our military personnel. They afford us freedom that we often take for granted. On this day 18 years ago, some of our first responders did not run away from the crisis, but ran toward it and sacrificed their lives in support of others. That bravery, that courage exhibited that day cannot be forgotten. It's a day for us to simply remember what happened 18 years ago and how it changed the world. If you haven't had a chance to recall and remember the seriousness and the profound change that we all experienced, please have a conversation. And above all else, if you have the chance, thank our first responders for the great work they continue to do. Thank you so much for participating in the ceremony today. And please, let's never forget.